Picking the right Raiz portfolio is a major step in your investing journey. It's about matching your money with your personal financial outlook. So, let's break down the key things to consider. First, think about your time horizon. How long do you plan to keep this money invested? If your goal is short-term, less than 3 years, a conservative or moderately conservative portfolio might be best. These options hold more low-risk assets like bonds and cash, which means less volatility but also lower potential growth. You don't want a market dip to derail a short-term savings goal. Second, consider your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with seeing your balance fluctuate? All investments carry risk, but Raiz portfolios range from conservative right up to aggressive, and even the high-risk Sapphire portfolio, which includes an allocation to Bitcoin. If a 10% market drop would make you panic sell, stick to a moderate option. If you can handle the market swings for the chance of higher long-term returns, then aggressive might suit you, especially if you have a long time horizon, say, 5 years or more, because time helps ride out the downturns. Raiz also offers specialized portfolios like Emerald, focused on socially responsible investing, and property, which has exposure to property funds. If you have a passion for ethical investing or want to target a specific asset class, these are worth exploring. The key takeaway is to choose a portfolio that lets you sleep at night. The best portfolio is one you can stick with through the ups and downs. Once you choose, commit to your regular contributions. That discipline, combined with the power of compounding, is what will help you build wealth over time. Don't forget you can review and change your portfolio in the Raiz app if your goals or circumstances change. It's all about finding your personal best fit.